Hey everyone, today's video is about heart sounds. The mechanical activities of heart during each cardiac cycle cause the production of some sounds which are called heart sounds. The factors involved in production of heart sounds are: first, movement of blood through heart chambers; number 2, movement of cardiac muscle; number 3, movement of valves of heart. You might have heard about two heart sounds, lub and dub. Lub is the first heart sound. It is produced when atrioventricular valves close during ventricular contraction, more scientifically during ventricular systole in its isovolumic contraction phase. Second heart sound is dub. It is produced during closure of semilunar valves during ventricular relaxation, or it is produced during protodiastole phase of ventricular diastole. Third heart sound, it is caused due to rushing of blood into ventricles or during ventricular rapid filling phase. Fourth heart sound, it is produced during atrial relaxation phase or atrial systole. It is an inaudible sound.